Hi guys, this is Teacher Patty. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As I promised, I am giving you today the Debtors Allowances Journal. Like, subscribe, do all these nice things. If you can't, it's still cool. Let's learn. The purpose of the Debtors Allowances Journal is to record transactions where goods returned by debtors due to being faulty or not to specification, or where allowances are made due to errors on the invoice. As a starting point, therefore, debtors owe less money after these debtors' allowances. So, guys, debtors' allowances. You remember in the debtors journal, we record all the goods we sold to our customers on credit using accounts. Now, when the customers are not happy with the goods we sold them, maybe they bought at Mr. Price, size 20, size 10 of a shoe, and the person wanted size 8. So that is returned. That thing of going back to say, I want exchange this shoe for me. And if you bought it on account, it's called a debtors allowances journal. So the customer may not be happy about the item they bought. And the business now must make a record, because that is still a transaction. A return of goods is still a transaction in essence. So yeah, let's get into it. So this textbook is not my work, it's New Era. I recommend it. New Era Learner's book. Yeah, it's New Era Learner's book. Grade 9. I highly recommend it. So task 8.1, they give you balances at the beginning. Okay, that's fine. Now they say do the accounting equation. Now we're gonna do the debtors allowances, not the accounting equation. Yeah? Allowed M. Maharaj to open an account, that is transactions for July. So guys, they said it's transaction for July, but this is November. So just ignore that this is November. Just take it as July. This is a typo. It's a printing error. So they say allowed M. Maharaj to open up an account, issued an invoice to him for 2,400. The cost of these goods was 1,620. You know, in the previous example, that we recorded on the debtors journal. M. Maharaj returned 1/3 of the goods that he was sent, as he said he did not order them. A credit note was issued to him. So the most important thing, guys, for you to remember, for debtors journal, you need a duplicate invoice for recording. For debtors allowances journal, you need a credit note. So now you're given a credit note on the 10th. So we'll say 10th of July. Credit note, they didn't give you the number, so you say credit note 1. What's the name of the debtor? M. Maharaj. Debtors allowances. So now M. Maharaj returned the goods 1/3. So this is the goods that M. Maharaj bought the previous day. So he returned 2/3. So equals to 2,400 times 1/3, not 2/3, guys. Equals to 1/3. It's 800. 1/3 of the cost of sales. Okay. So it goes on credit to L Long for 4,000. So that we will record, guys, in the debtors journal. And I've done that in the previous session. So this one says, Long complained that some of the goods were slightly damaged as the products were no longer available. Long agreed to keep the goods, but Kerber stores granted him a price reduction of 20%. Okay, so this will not record it in the debtors allowances journal because it's a discount. If the goods were returned, we were going to record them in the debtors allowances journal. But in this case, they are not returned and there's no credit note issued. They just gave a discount. So this discount will be recorded in the general journal. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you do the debtors journal. We will just do totals now because we had one transaction. This is how you do the debtors allowances journal. Goodbye.